The 2021 to 2023 Ford Bronco 2.7 Dump Exit Kit Install Guide. All Carven Exhaust products are proudly made in the United States. Systems are handcrafted, built from stainless material, and are engineered to maximize performance. Before we get started, make sure you have your tools handy. You'll need an exhaust hanger removal, a 15mm swivel socket, a 15mm wrench, an impact gun, and most importantly, safety glasses. The first step is to remove that muffler section using the exhaust hanger removal. Simply remove the muffler section from the rubber mounts. Next, use your impact gun and 15mm socket to loosen the band clamp located behind that muffler section. Use a side-to-side motion to remove the muffler until it pops off. Now it's time to remove the flange nuts. Use your impact gun to loosen and remove them, but make sure you don't lose or misplace them because you'll need to reuse them for the installation of the dump kit. The next step is to locate the rubber mount on top towards the end of the exhaust pipe. Use your exhaust hanger removal to reach and remove it with ease. After that, pop off the last exhaust hanger rod. Now, remove that rubber mount and slip it onto the Carven dump kit. Dry hang the exhaust, but don't let go as it's not secured just yet. Align the dump kit with the flange section and snugly fit the nuts. This step is crucial because if the flanges are not properly aligned, it can result in an exhaust leak. You may notice a little play on the hanger rubber mount up front, but this is totally normal. There you have it. The Carven Exhaust Dump Exit Kit is successfully installed on your Ford Bronco with a 2.7 engine. If you have any further questions about the Ford Bronco dump kit, don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email.